The correct answer is letter A. Emma usually has breakfast before leaving for work, because she starts work at 7:30 every morning.
The correct answer is letter B. We went to the new shopping mall last Saturday because everyone said it was amazing.
The correct answer is letter A. My brother has lived in Chicago since he graduated from college, and he still loves living there.
The correct answer is letter B. I'll meet you at the entrance of the museum at 10 o'clock, so don't be late.
The correct answer is letter C. Olivia wants to become an honest lawyer because she enjoys helping people.
The correct answer is letter C. If Mark studies harder for the exam, he'll probably pass with an excellent grade.
The correct answer is letter A. My sister decided to study abroad after she graduated from university.
The correct answer is letter B. Your parents have already arrived, haven't they?
The correct answer is letter B. Although the instructions were confusing, Maria explained everything very clearly.
The correct answer is letter A. By the time we arrived at the airport, our flight had already left, so we had to book another ticket.
The correct answer is letter C. I can't find my keys. I think I left them at Sarah's house last night.
The correct answer is letter C. This coffee is too hot for me to drink right now.
The correct answer is letter A. My sister is the person who always remembers everyone's birthday.
The correct answer is letter B. Neither my brother nor my parents are coming to dinner tonight.
The correct answer is letter C. I wish I had more time to travel every year.
The correct answer is letter A. How long have you known your best friend?
The correct answer is letter C. The movie was so boring that we decided to leave before it ended.
The correct answer is letter B. She speaks English more fluently than anyone else in her office.
The correct answer is letter C. You haven't finished your homework yet, have you?
The correct answer is letter B. By next June, my parents will have lived in this house for 20 years.
The correct answer is letter A. My teacher suggested reviewing the new vocabulary every evening instead of only before the test.
The correct answer is letter B. I didn't recognize Daniel because he had grown a beard since the last time I had seen him.
The correct answer is letter A. The hotel was much more comfortable than we expected, so we decided to stay an extra night.
The correct answer is letter B. If I knew where she lived, I would visit her more often.
The correct answer is letter C. Neither of the answers is completely correct.
The correct answer is letter B. Would you mind closing the window? It's getting a little cold in here.
The correct answer is letter B. By the time the firefighters arrived, the neighbors had helped everyone safely out of the building.
The correct answer is letter A. My sister works for a company which exports medical equipment to more than 20 countries.
The correct answer is letter A. The meeting had hardly started when the fire alarm went off.
The correct answer is letter B. I've lived in this neighborhood for almost 10 years, and I still discover new places every month.
The correct answer is letter A. I don't remember locking the front door before we left the house.
The correct answer is letter A. This is the most beautiful beach I have ever seen in my life.
The correct answer is letter B. There weren't enough chairs for everyone, so some people had to stand.
The correct answer is letter C. The package should be delivered by Friday if everything goes as planned.
The correct answer is letter C. I'd rather stay home tonight than go out in the rain.
The correct answer is letter A. If I were you, I'd accept the job offer immediately.
The correct answer is letter A. Neither of my sisters was able to come to my birthday party this past weekend.
The correct answer is letter B. I was so tired that I could hardly keep my eyes open.
The correct answer is letter C. By the time we got to the station, the train had already left.
The correct answer is letter B. The manager asked whether everyone had finished the training before starting the new project.
The correct answer is letter C. I wish I had brought my camera with me yesterday. The sunset was incredible.
The correct answer is letter B. By this time next year, Sarah will have completed her master's degree and will have started her new job.
The correct answer is letter A. The book is read by thousands of students every year because it's so practical.
The correct answer is letter B. Not only did he arrive late, but he also forgot all the documents we needed.
The correct answer is letter B. I've never seen anyone react so quickly under pressure.
The correct answer is letter C. The restaurant was so crowded that there was hardly anywhere to sit.
The correct answer is letter A. If you had called me earlier, I could have helped you solve the problem.
The correct answer is letter C. Nobody in this office knows how to fix the printer, so we'll have to call a technician.
The correct answer is letter B. I didn't enjoy the movie, and my sister didn't either.
The correct answer is letter B. The manager insisted on having another meeting before making the final decision.
Hey English Go-Getter, you finished the quiz. Now, feel free to share your score in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And thank you for watching English Go-Getter. I'll see you in the next video.